Who is making those noise? Huh? Prajwal absent voice. Okay, you can play some good song, na. We'll listen the song. మీరేం మార్వల్ థింక్ చేస్తున్నారా మూవీ?
మీరు పెట్టండి సార్.
You can play the song, any movie song.
ఏంటో ఈ మాయ తెలియదులే నిన్ను చూస్తుంటే గుండె దడదడలే అమ్మో అమ్మో చిట్టి ప్రేమ ప్రేమ నన్ను బెట్రయ్యే బామ్మ నీ గురించి ఆలోచిస్తే చేరుతుందే నువ్వు లేకపోతే నువ్వే నా పోరివే నువ్వే నా ప్రాణమే Yo, come on, baby. Girl, you come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Kaya yung kita love niya ba? Ito na namin. Kaya hindi na love niya ba? Biya niya sa tinanip pala. Di mo na eh.
ఒక హోస్ట్ జనరల్ 1000 ర్యాంకర్స్ ఆ 2000 ర్యాంకర్ కి ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ లో తనకి నచ్చిన టాప్ మోస్ట్
You can play that song. It Pawan Kalyan Sai అన్నమాట.
చాలా ఈజీగా వస్తుంది.
You can play that song. So that is. Yeah, we'll wait for one more student also. పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ది అక్కడమ్మా ఇక్కడ మొత్తానికి ఏదో మూవీలో నీ మనసై సై సై అని ఒక సాంగ్ ఉంటుంది. యా, యూ కెన్ ప్లే దట్ సాంగ్. నైస్.
Misala pilla.
సార్
Okay, we will wait 4 more minutes for Kushi. Otherwise, you'll start the class. You can play now. Why you stop? Yeah, she came. Hi everyone. So very good afternoon, all of you. Yes. Harshit, you can play one good song for 1 minute. Come on. Okay, okay. Okay, let's. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, okay. That's good. Okay, Andy. So now we'll start the class. So thank you. So let's start the class. Intro, na? Yes, it's intro of the physics class. Okay. So yesterday, so one of your friends asked this question, Andy. Let's start with the questions. So let's come to this question. So the question is asked by one of your students, friends, and this is the question: a fully charged capacitor having its capacitance is C. So then, so this is the C and the capital C. Don't confuse, or C prime. Do not confuse with this one. And it is discharged through a coil, and that coil has the specific heat. Specific heat capacity is given by S. We know what is the definition of the specific heat capacity. We learned in the thermodynamics, and it has the mass is M. Okay, and it is raised by temperature. It's a delta T. And he asked that find that potential difference. He asked that find the what is the potential difference in that coil. So usually we know. So what is the energy of the coil? We know that. Sorry. So energy of the capacitor we already know is a half CV square. Where is V is the potential. Okay. So this is the energy related to capacitor. If you write that energy or charge, whatever it is in thermodynamics, that is ms into delta T. Okay, we already learned this in the specific heat concept. So this is the energy in the temperature, specific heat, or in the thermodynamics, this is the energy in the capacitor. So here, why this energy is we are taking here, because of that there are given a coil. So when the charge is moving through the coil, definitely charge will get temperature, means it will get heat. Okay, so there is a dissipation of heat is there. So that this kind of energy also we can calculate it in the coil. So that's why in this case we are taking the energy ms delta T. So both are equal. That's why we have to make it equal half CV square. What we need, only we need potential. That's why my potential is going to be 2 times of ms delta T by C. Okay, this is the question. This is the solution for this. So let's come to that. The last topic we discussing about the type 7 or type 6. Type 7. Okay, let's repeat the class again. If they are given this, the plates like this, in this case they have given 4 plates. These 2 plates are connected with potential A. Okay, and these 2 plates are connected with potential B. So just remember, this is the only problem. This is the only method that you can solve all the questions. So plus, and consider this is a minus. So that's why the plus charges are located on the surface of this plate, and minus charges are located on the surface of this plate. And here the plus, and here also plus, and this is located with the minus. So we have to redraw the circuit. This is the A, Is my voice is audible, everyone? I'm not getting any response. Did I turn on?
sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, the song is rotating in my mind. Misala Pilla song. Oh, Misala Pilla. Okay, so just we have to take that plate 1, plate 2, plate 3, and plate 4. See, if you take plate 1, just consider plate 1. Plate 1 is attached to A, and there is a opposite plate 2, and which is attached to B. And next, plate 2 attached to B. Yes, plate 2 attached to B, and plate 3 is opposite to the plate 2. Plate 3 is opposite to the plate 2. This plate 3 is attached to the A. Is this understanding how we are writing? Again, take plate 3. Plate 3 is attached to the plate A. So that's why from here, plate 3 attached to the plate A. Sorry. Attached to the potential A. And this plate 3 is opposite to the plate 4. And this plate 4
Parallel.
is attached to the plate 2.
Parallel.
Okay, na? Yes, you can take it as a parallel also. Okay, parallel to the plate 4. Let's see. So now this is the capacity C, capacity C, capacity C. The answer will be 3C. Is this understand, everyone? This concept is understand, right? Yes. Now take the question. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం లేకుండా ఈ మోడల్ I already told there are 3 models are there. This model, and second one is the capacitor and resistor, and third one is the just they will give you the capacitors. Just solve by using the potential method. Okay, ఈ 3 questions లో ఈ questions లేకుండా and this question లేకుండా, so they will not set the paper. JE అయినా కానివ్వండి, అడ్వాన్స్ అయినా కానివ్వండి, both. సో కాబట్టి we have to solve number of problems. ఎందుకు మనకి ఈజీగా 8 మార్క్స్ 10 మార్క్స్ మన జోబులో వచ్చేటప్పుడు, then why you have to lose it? So let's take the one example. And another trick, so I'm giving one hint also. If they are given this number of plates like this, okay Nandi, if these plates like this, and if these plates are given in some case, they will give you attached to the something. Wait, I will give you like this. If these plates are attached to something, yeah, and this is also they attach to like this. If they attach like this is the B. If they give like this, diagram is wrong only. Wait. Okay, let's don't. I will take the question, then you will understand. No, not hint. I will take the question. So let's take first question in this problem. So a gang of capacitor is formed by interlocking. Yes, ఈ సెంటెన్స్ కోసం I am writing the question. Interlocking with a number of plates as shown in the figure. నేను ఇందాక డయాగ్రామ్ ఇచ్చానులే కానీ in the diagram I cannot say that is the interlocking. I cannot show the interlocking. That's why I didn't draw the diagram. Right now I'm giving this statement. So the distance between the consecutive plates is so 0.885 centimeters, and it is overlapping area of the plates is 5 centimeters square. Here they are asking the capacity of the unit or the capacity of the system they are asking. So this is the diagram only they given. This is the diagram. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and this is connected to this one. This is connected to this one. Okay, and this is connected to this one, and this is connected to this one. Next, this is connected to this one, connected to this one. This is connected to this one. This is connected to this one. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ అర్థమైందండి ఎవరికైనా? I understand this diagram, and this is connected to, what is this? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is connected to this, and again this is connected to this. This is connected to this. Now see, this is connected to this, and this is connected to this. This is connected to this. Yes, this is the board, and this plate is connected to B, and this side is connected to A. So this kind of question they are given. Sorry అండి, డయాగ్రామ్ కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది అయింది. Oh, sorry అండి. Someone wanted to.
Sir, options.
Yes, ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి. Sorry, Gandhi wanted to join. Yeah, sorry, actually Gandhi is our student. Student, and Prajwal Gandhi is wanted to join. I am not accepting. Arey yaar. All are parallel. Yes, Sunday. See, so this is the one of the trick. If Gandhi will join, I will accept. So this is one of the trick. How to solve this kind of problems? Before solving the problem, we have to check are all the plates or options. Sunday, see 4 pf and B 6 pf, C 8 pf, D 10 pf. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
before you check this, sorry,
Sir. Yes, sir.
yeah. See, before you check this, see, you have to know how to solve the question also. Before you check this, you have to check are all the plates are connected to the potential or not. Yes, sir. So one, this potential, this is all are connected to the this potential A, and all the plates are connected to the potential B. So now you have to give the names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now see 1, 3, 5, 7. These 1, 3, 5, 7 plates are connected to the potential A. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6 plates are connected to the potential B. Like this plate should be connected to each point. There is no left any plate. In that case only this formula will apply. So the answer is going to be this one, n minus 1 and capacitance epsilon naught A by D. So we know what is the n. N is number of plates. How many here? So number of plates 9 or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you can take, here they are given the 9, otherwise the answer will be wrong. Yes, this is 9. So now how you got the answer, Toya Jax? I didn't give you the 9 plates, but how you got the answer is 4. Now there are 9 plates are there. So now answer is going to be 8 here. 8 into epsilon naught A divided by D. We know what is the value of epsilon naught here? 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 11. And area also given here. Okay. So this is the distance they are given, centimeters. You have to convert it into the meters. And area is given centimeters square. We have to convert it into the meters square. Okay. Yes, Harshit. Yeah, 3.7. Yes, femtofarad. It's nearly equals to 4. Yes, Unice. అది 9 plates and actually అక్కడ Unice. I got 4 and yes. Okay. Is this understand this question? Everyone? Hi Gandhi. Gandhi. Yes, sir. Gandhi, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందండి మీకు? Yeah, tomorrow. Yes. Okay. Next, take another question. The same model. We will take the another question also. Second question 2. Second question 2 ఏంటి? సెకండ్ అన్న 2 అన్న ఒకటేగా. ఇంకా అట్లా ఉంటుంది మరి. The equivalent capacity between points A and B. Okay. In figure will be, while the capacitance of each capacitor is 3 microfarad. Okay. This is the diagram they given. Could you please tell me what is the answer here? Same method and oh, I will see the chart box. Yes, option D. Yeah, option D. Yes. Yes, Harshit. For 8, for 7, 3.7 for 8. Yeah, you will solve the question. You will get like that only. Yes. Yes, D answer is the D. Hero comes over here. Comes our hero. Who is that? Ajab Rajwa. Okay. So let's see. And Unice and Kushi, are you got the answer? Yes. Very good. So no need to worry. It's n minus 1 is equals to epsilon naught A by T. So 3 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. Let's take another question. Third question. I will explain this question. Then you have to solve another question. So please see, in this question we have to find the potential between CAB. So they are given the 4 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this plate they connected point A, and this plate they connected with potential B. So how to solve this problem? Could you please tell me how to solve this problem? 1, 2, you have to give that potentials. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's take each capacitance is equals to C. Could you please solve this answer? Try it once, try it. You will stuck somewhere. Options are I will give it. some point you will stop. Where you will stop? Option is epsilon naught A by D. Option B 2 epsilon naught A by D. Option C 4 epsilon naught A by D. Option D 6 epsilon naught A by D. Now try this one. This one. Oh, sorry, I'm not checking the chart. Option C. No, and wrong. Option. Yes, Kushi. Option B is right. B or BA. BA కాదండి B మాత్రమే. Yes అండి B. B is the answer. B అచ్చా మీరు అడుగుతున్నారా క్వశ్చన్? ఖుషి మీరు క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారా మీరు ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నారా నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదండి. దట్టే దట్టేనండి దట్టే. Okay, let's come. See, you solved very well actually, but there is a confusion with you. Okay, see here, this is the plus and this is also plus. Okay, this is the minus, this is the minus, this is the minus, this is the minus. So usually plate 2 it's not parallel to the plate 3 because no, both are negative. So that's why, and also this plate 2 plate 3 are connected to the same potential, right? So that's why we cannot take 2 and 3 as a parallel. So this will not form a capacitor. Is this understand point? Because of plate 2 and plate 3 we cannot get any potential. Sorry, we cannot form a capacitor. Okay, if you wanted to form a capacitor, what we need? One should be positive plate, second should be negative plate, or else one plate should be connected to the positive terminal and second plate should be connected to the negative terminal. These two chances are we have to form a capacitor. So here we don't have, we no need to form a capacitor due to plate 2 and plate 3. Okay, now there is a two possibilities are there. Which one? Take one. This is the A and this is the B. So one plate 1 is connected to A. So what happened? Okay, and plate 2 is parallel to the plate 1 is connected to B. Next, plate 2 is connected to plate B, but plate 3 is not parallel to the plate 3. Okay, plate 3 is not parallel to the plate 2. It is also connected to like this 3. Now come to that, plate 3 is connected to the, sorry, plate 3 is parallel to the plate 4. Plate 4, but plate 4 is connected to the terminal A, potential A, this one. So that's why, so there is no capacitor will not form due to this 2 and 3. That's why there are only two capacitors are there. So answer should be how much? The 2C. What is C? Nothing but epsilon naught A by D. Is this understand everyone? Prajwal, no andi, not D andi. అచ్చా మీరు ఇందాక క్వశ్చన్ దట్స్ అండి. ప్రజ్వల్ అర్థం కాలేదా మీకు? Yes. Okay, so let me explain again. So in this case, how the capacitor will form? We need one positive plate and we need one negative plate. How this negative will form? Usually there is a concept of the capacitor. Okay, we are not going to discuss. What we need actually, we need one positive plate and we need one negative plate. That's it. Okay, so take this plate 2 and plate 3 both are connected to the potential B. So that's why మనం blind గా ఫిక్స్ అయిపోవాలి. Plate 2 and plate 3 both are connected to the potential B. So that's why 2 and 3 will not form the capacitor. That's it. So but there is a possible plate 1 plate 2 can form the capacitor, plate 3 and plate 4 can form the capacitor, but plate 2 and plate 3 will not form the capacitor, right? So let's take plate 1. I have taken the plate 1 which is connected to the terminal A, this one, see, and plate 2 is parallel to the plate 1 and plate 2 is connected to the potential B or terminal B. Similarly, take plate 3. This plate 3 is connected to the potential B and plate 4 is parallel to the plate 3 and plate 4 is connected to the potential A or terminal A. So if you draw that, you got the parallel plate capacitor. Yes, Andy? Okay. Is this understand? Yes, Kushi, మీరేం అడుగుతున్నారు? వాట్ అన్నారు? నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. Don't worry, I will give you another question also. Let's solve this question. Which question is this? Third question. Fourth question. So now I'm giving five plates I given. So this plate and this is connected to B. These both are connected to A. Okay. Please find that potential AB. Each capacitance equals to C. Find the CA. So I will give you 5 minutes of time. Oh, sorry, options available. So options are 3 by 2 epsilon naught A by D. Option B 5 by 4 epsilon naught A by D. Option C 5 by 3 epsilon naught A by D. Option D 4 by 5 epsilon naught A by D. I will give you a hint. I will give you the one hint. Carefully see here. One hint I will give you. 5 by 4. No, Andy, not 5 by 4. How?
5 by 4
Not
है
Andy,
sir.
not 5 by 4. Huh? No, Andy, no, not 5 by 4. Hint. Yeah, I will give you the hint. See, basically, this is the B. B, what you were taking? Negative charge, right? So that's why it has negative. And A is positive. Right? So this plate is also positive. So I already explained induced charges in the conductor. So this plate is not connected to any plate, right? Oh, it's not connected. Okay, not connected to anything. That's why. So this is negative kada, kabatti ikkada positive charge induce aitadi. Idi positive kada, ikkada negative charge induce aitadi. This side is positive, that's why this side is also negative charge will induce. Now you got this one. Now draw the diagram and give the answer.
5 by 3 sir.
Yes, answer will be 5 by 3. Please solve other one also. Please, could you please send me that current is gone. Love is gone, current is gone. Okay, we'll see. Current is gone. Current is gone. Oh, sorry, mic on low.
Sir, next question, sir.
Sorry, Andy. Okay. Adi. Please all the students give solutions, sir. Yes, Andy, I will give definitely. Other one, when I see. No. Next question, I have to explain this question, Andy. When I see another students, let's come. I will explain clearly. Don't worry. Let's see here. Just take the terminals, two terminals, A and B, right? And let's see. Give the names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take anything, Andy. So doesn't matter. So my suggestion is that better to take from the A to B. A terminal, B terminal and start cheyandi. So A is connected to 3, right? A is connected to plate 3. Plate 3 is parallel to plate 4. So definitely plate 4 has the negative. That's why it will be the parallel 4. And plate 4 is connected through a wire to plate 1. So connected through a wire, plate 1. Plate 1 is parallel to plate 2. Avuna? Positive, kabatti ikkada negative vastudi. Yes, plate 2. Plate 2 is connected to terminal B. అర్థమైందండి? Let's come to that next one. Let's take plate 5. Terminal A నుంచి. Terminal A నుంచి plate 5 is parallel to plate 4. Yes, sir. And plate 4 is connected to plate 1.
Plate 5 parallel hours, sir.
Yes, plate 5 is parallel to plate 4. So this is the plate 4. That's why plate 4 to plate 4. This one. Is this understand? This is the plate 4 and this is also plate 4. The same are the plate 4. This is the plate 4 is parallel to the plate 5. Plate 5 is connected to the terminal A. Is this understand this point? Next point. Let's take the remaining point is will be 3. And 3 and 2 are the parallel, right? 3 is connected to terminal A and 2 parallel to 2 and the 2 is connected to terminal B. Understand how the circuit is came? Oh, thanks, Andy. You nice. Good, very good. Yes. Again, let's see. Let's see the diagram. So let's take two potentials, potential A and potential B. My suggestion ఏంటంటే ఎప్పుడు మీరు పొటెన్షియల్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకోండి, మీ ఇష్టం. బి నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నారా, ఏ నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నారా, జనరల్లీ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవే. Now generally I am taking from the potential A. Okay, so potential A, this is the plate A, plate 3. Plate 3 is connected to potential A, terminal A, and plate 3 is parallel to plate 4. Okay, that's why దీనికి parallel గా 4 పెట్టా. 4 is connected to through a wire. So this is the wire to plate 1. Through a wire, plate 1. Plate 1 is parallel to plate 2. This plate 2 is connected to terminal B. ఈ స్టెప్ అర్థమైందా? ఓకేనా? Yes. Then and see again Now come to that plate 3. So plate 3, this is the plate 3 and plate 3 is connected to A. So that's why plate 3 is connected to A, and plate 3 is parallel to plate 4, right? So this already we discussed. Oh, we already discussed this one. Now don't take plate 3. Now take plate 5. Plate 5 is connected to terminal A. Plate 5 is parallel to plate 4. This plate 4 coming from here like this. Easy step, understand? ఓకే, హర్షిత్ ఇంకా అర్థం కాలేదండి మీకు? సో కుడ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ అండి ఎక్కడ అర్థం కాలేదు? And also let's take again this is the plate 3. Plate 3 and plate 2 both are parallel. So that's why plate 3 is connected to terminal A and opposite parallel to the plate 2. This plate 2 is connected to the terminal B. This is the circuit and Harshit, that step అన్ని ఏ స్టెప్లో అండి డౌట్? దట్ స్టెప్ మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, సెకండ్ స్టెప్, థర్డ్ స్టెప్ అండి? సెకండ్ స్టెప్ అక్క. దిస్ వన్ 5 parallel to 4. See, 5 parallel to 4 means, so this 4, usually this is the plate, this plate, and I am taking like this. Okay, this plate I am taking like this, and 4 is parallel to the 5. So 5 is connected to terminal A. That's it. That 4 connecting to first one Y side. 4 connecting to first one Y side. 4 is not connected to, acha 4 is connected to 1. Yeah, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 4 ప్లేట్ ఉందా? ఇదిగోండి ఈ ప్లేట్ 4, ఫోర్త్ ప్లేట్. ఈ ఫోర్త్ ప్లేట్ ఉందా? దిస్ ప్లేట్, ఈ ప్లేట్ ఏమైపోయింది, ఇలా వైర్తో ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ చేశాడు. అందుకని మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఫోర్త్ ప్లేట్ నుంచి మనం కండక్టర్తో ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఈ ప్లేట్ని జాయిన్ చేసాం ఇక్కడ. అందుకని 4 ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు 1. అర్థమైందండి? ఎస్, ఏం కాదు. సి, ఆన్లైన్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ విజిబుల్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఐ డోంట్ నో ద స్టైలస్ పాయింట్ ఆల్సో విజిబుల్ ఫర్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్. సో దట్స్ వై నేను స్టైలస్ని ఇక్కడ చూపించి మాట్లాడే లోపు, డ్యూ టు ద ఇంటర్నెట్ ఫ్లక్చువేషన్, వెన్ ద స్టైలస్ విల్ గో హియర్, మై వాయిస్ విల్ కమ్ లేటర్ ఆర్ లైక్ నో ముందుగా రావటం వెనక రావటం అట్లా జరుగుతుంది. దానివల్ల ఏమైపోతుంది అంటే యూ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. సో ఫైన్, దిస్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ జనరల్లీ, నో వరీస్. So could you please solve this right now? Now solve it. What we need potential difference between A and B. మీరు ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ద రిజల్టెంట్ షుడ్ బి బిట్వీన్ ఏ అండ్ బి రావాలి. ఓకేనండి? మీరు ఈ రెండు సాల్వ్ చేసి, ఫస్ట్ సిరీస్ సాల్వ్ చేసి, తర్వాత మీరు ప్యారలల్ సాల్వ్ చేశారనుకోండి, ప్యారలల్ సాల్వ్ చేసి ఈ ప్యారలల్ సాల్వ్ చేశారనుకోండి, దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఎ లిటిల్ బిట్ డిఫికల్ట్. So that's why from this diagram, again draw the diagram. How we can draw the diagram? The next circuit, for simplicity, you can do. So this is the parallel, and the resultant is going to be a series, and answer will come to the parallel. Yeah, you can do that answer. Otherwise, we can use the some other technique also. What technique? From this we can use the potential technique. ikkada meer em chestaru, potential technique use cheyandi. సో ఈ టెర్మినల్ ఏమైపోతుంది, సి అయిపోతుంది కదా. అప్పుడు ఏ బి సి, ఏసి ఎస్ 3 4, తర్వాత ఇది సి, ఇది ఏ, ఏసి 5 4, తర్వాత సిబి 1 2, తర్వాత ఏబి 3 2. That's it. అర్థమైందండి? How I taken this one? ఎస్. ఫస్ట్ ప్యారలల్ ప్లేట్లో నుంచి సర్క్యూట్లోకి మార్చుకున్నాను. మీరు దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడం వస్తే బెస్ట్ అండి. ఓకే, యూ నో నీడ్ టు వరీస్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు గో ఫర్ సాల్వ్ ఇట్. సో బట్ దీస్ 3-4 plate and 1-2 plate or 3-4 capacitor 1-2 capacitor not in the series. 3-4 and 5-4 capacitor are in the parallel. So got it? ఇప్పుడు 3-4-5-4 మీరు ప్యారల్ సాల్వ్ చేసిన తర్వాత దెన్ రిజల్టెంట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి సిరీస్. అలాగనే సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. లేదు సార్ మాకు అన్ని
बाकी साउंड बैठ रहा. Yes, Prabhu. बाकी मंजी बैठ रहा मंजी अरे అవన్నీ రావురా గాంధీ కొన్ని ఉంటాయి.
ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ లో తనకి ఇచ్చిన టాప్ మోస్ట్ JNTUK లో కానీ లేదా CBIT లో కానీ దానికి రావాలి.
Okay, thank you, very much. Okay, let's start that note. Yes, is my screen is visible? Right? Uh, Actually, there is no electricity and it got shut down. Again, electricity came back. Now my system is charging. Okay. Okay, Andy. So I will give you the homework, 2 problems as a homework. Please write it down and next prepare for your exams for tomorrow also. You have exam tomorrow. No? Yes. Have you got the answer? This one? Have you got the answer? This one? This is the parallel. The
Sir,
resultant is going to be series, and the resultant going to be again parallel. Got it? Yes. So let's take the another problem. These questions asked by your friends only, one of the colleagues only, one of your friends. So let's take. So e concept ni batti then solve this problem. No number and problem. Fifth problem. So fifth problem. 6 plates of yes. 6 plates of equal area A and plate separation are shown in the figure. Okay. Find that equivalence potential between C and CAB. Okay. So they are given this diagram. So totally they are given 6 plates. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the third plate is connected to A and this plate is connected to B. And this A and last plate is connected like this. And this plate and this plate is connected like this. And each distance they are given, the distance between this one is this. So this is the D, this is the 2D, this is the 3D, this is the 2D, and this distance is the D. Could you try to find that what is the CAB? The options are given here. Epsilon naught A by D and 2 times of epsilon naught A by D and 3 times of epsilon naught A by D and epsilon naught A by 4D. Find it. And second question also I will give. నేను ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టానండి యాక్చువల్లీ ఏమైపోయిందంటే సార్ యాక్సెంట్ ఈజ్ ఫైర్. హూజ్ యాక్సెంట్? మై యాక్సెంట్. Sir, this question D, 2D, 3D. No, and the option is not D, and
సార్ నేను క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పాను.
accent is fine. No, and I am not using accent actually here. We are speaking in South Indian English only. That too, in especially Andhra English. Please, kindly request. ధన్యవాదాలు. ఏం జరుగుతుంది చాట్లో? సలార్ 2 జరుగుతున్నట్టుంది ఇక్కడ. బాంబులు వెలుస్తున్నారు, డైలాగులు పెడుతున్నారు. ఓ మై గాడ్. ఓకే, డోంట్ వరీ అండి, ఇట్స్ ఫైన్. గుడ్ గుడ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి టర్న్ ఆఫ్ టు us. సీరియస్ సార్? ఏమైందండి ఖుషి? సీరియస్ అనుకుంటా. Okay,
Yes,
let's
sir.
take another question. Give another question. So fifth question, sixth question. Sixth question. So simple, and this problem is very simple. So usually if you draw that one, what you will get now at the end? Tell me what you will get at the end. You will get here, if you draw carefully, you will get Wheatstone Bridge. You will get Wheatstone Bridge here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will get 5 capacitors here. Okay, I will give you the hint. Let's see the hint. So this A is, give that numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? See, capacitor 3, capacitor 6, both are connected to A. Plate 3 and plate 6 connected to A. Plate 4, plate 1 are connected to B. Simple. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, కేర్ఫుల్గా చూడండి హౌ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో దీని మీద ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ప్లస్ చార్జ్, అండ్ 6th చార్జ్ మీద కూడా ప్లస్ చార్జ్ ఈజ్ లొకేటెడ్, ప్లస్ చార్జ్. అండ్ 1 మీద ఏముంటుంది? మైనస్, నెగిటివ్. అండ్ థర్డ్ మీద కూడా నెగిటివ్. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ కేర్ఫుల్లీ అబ్జర్వ్, 5th చార్జ్ మీద ఇటు సైడ్ పాజిటివ్ సైడ్ ఇండ్యూస్ అవుతుంది, ఇటు సైడ్ నెగిటివ్ చార్జ్ ఇండ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ వన్. ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ ఇండ్యూస్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ చార్జ్ ఇండ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. గాట్ ఇట్? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. Now please try to solve the question.
అయిపోయింది సార్.
ఎంత వచ్చిందండి ఆన్సర్?
Yes, sir.
Yes, A will be answer. Gandhi, అవునండి. A is the answer. Yes, not B. Yes. Oh, A na sir? Yes, Unice. A is the answer. Yes, Gandhi, A is the answer. Sorry అండి, నేను చూడలేదు, సొల్యూషన్ చూడలేదు యాక్చువల్లీ. ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఇస్ రైట్. సీరియస్ నా జై నా యూ సెడ్. సారీ అండి, నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు ఖుషి మీ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ చెక్ దిస్ వన్. సో లెట్స్ టేక్ A and B potential. A, you can take terminals A and terminal B. See, I request you please take from the terminal. So this terminal, plate 3 is connected. Yes, plate 3 is connected. Okay, for the plate 3, which one is the parallel? Sir, 4 is the parallel, sir. Yes, 4 is the parallel. This 4 is connected to B. Yes, 4 is connected to B. Okay, so let's take another one. What you have to take? See here, plate 3 is connected to plate terminal A. This terminal A is parallel to 2, right? And this 2 is not connected to anything. Then don't take this one, remove it. Let's take, and the terminal 6, sorry, the plate 6 is parallel to plate 5.
Yes.
Okay, and plate 5
4, sir.
is parallel to 4, and 4 is connected to
B, sir.
let's don't take this one also. Okay, so let's take the another one. How much this is? 3 is connected to 4. Let's take 3 4. Yeah, there is only one is there na.
3 is parallel to
What
4.
is the answer? Answer is epsilon at A by D only. Yes, there is no other option is there. We don't have any other option here. See, if you carefully see, this 5 is not connected to anything. Got it? But the answer is going to be wrong. Epsilon naught A by D is epsilon naught A by D. So C is equals to epsilon naught
No,
A
sir.
by D.
చాలా ఉంది సార్ ఇంకా.
Huh?
ఇంకా చాలా గీయాలి కదా సార్.
Let me see. Let's check terminal A. Terminal A is connected to 3, and 3 is parallel to 4. 4 is connected to B. Okay, and here and this terminal A, and again parallel plate B. A is connected to 3, and 3 is parallel to 2. So
And again 2 is parallel to 1, sir.
again 2 is parallel to 1. But how we can draw the parallel to 1 here?
Extend that, sir. And right as 2.
But it's not connected, no? If you take
No,
like
sir.
this,
Yes, sir. Like that.
if I take this one, the 1 2, and 2 is parallel to 1, and 1 is connected to B. Yeah, this is the thing. And let's come here. Let's take parallel plate this 3 again. 3 is parallel to 4. We already draw this one. Okay, and
6, sir. 6, sir.
and 4 is parallel to 5. Let's take here also. See here. Let's take B. So B is 4. Let's take B is 4. 4 is parallel to 5. 5 is parallel to 6. And 6 is, oh no,
Connected కాదు సార్, parallel సార్.
which case is this one? From take, I have taken 3 to 4. Yeah, 3 to 4 is connected, and my 4 is connected to 4 is parallel to 5.
సార్ అలా
Okay,
A
then
నుండి 6
then let's take the 6 here. Plate 6. Plate 6 is parallel to 5, and 5 is to
మళ్ళీ ఇంకో
it's connect 4. 4
కాదు సార్,
is
ఇంకో
sorry
5
అండి.
వేయాలి సార్. పైన వేసిన అలాగా ఇంకో 5 వేయండి సార్.
ఇక్కడ
2 వేసారు కదా సార్, పైన 2 times, అలా 5 వేయాలి సార్ 2 times.
Yes, yes. This is the 5. Yes, yes. And 5 is parallel to 4. Yes. And 4 is connected to
Yes, sir.
yes. Yeah, this is the yes only. So let's see how we got this one. We have taken the two terminals A and B. Okay, just you have to take the from the positive or negative side. Okay, and let's come and explain the clear. What is charge distribution here? So charge distribution here, we are not talking about the charge distribution only. Just we are making the circuit, Harshit, here first. And see, let's take the plate 3. Plate 3 is parallel to plate 4. Yes, ఇది అయిపోయింది. తర్వాత and next the plate 3 is parallel to plate 2. Here also I am taking plate 3 is parallel to plate 2, and plate 2 is parallel to plate 1. Plate 1 is connected to B. Here let's come here also. I am taking the 6 plate right now. Plate 6 is parallel to plate 5, and plate 5 is parallel to plate 4. Okay, so this is the thing. And if you draw this one, if you make it carefully, what you will get, and this is in the series and this is in the series, and what you will get here, answer you can check this one. What is this capacitance here for 3 4? What is the capacitance between 3 4? Here this capacitance is C by 3. Here the capacitance will be C by 2. Here the capacitance will be C. Here the capacitance will be C by 2. Here the capacitance will be C. So now, so this capacitance is between 3 4. 3 4 capacitance will be is C by 3, and 3 2 is C by 2, and C21 is C, and C65 is the C54 is going to be C by 2. Okay, now let's see, find the series of this one. 3 2 and 2 1, what is going to be series? So 3 2 and T1 C by 2 into C divided by C by 2 plus C. It's a C square by 2. This is the 3C by 2. 2 will cancel, C will cancel. I got C by 3 here. Let's take in the next diagram. We'll take, this is going to be AB. I'm writing this 3, 4. 3, 4 as a C by 3. Okay, and the resultant, how much I got? I got C by 3.
Sir,
Yes, ఒక నిమిషం. Yeah, చెప్పండి.
previous page ఒకసారి చూపించండి.
Yes, I got C by 3. చెప్పండి.
Previous page ఒకసారి చూపించరా సార్?
Yeah. And this is also series. How much I got series? This C is equals to C into C by 2 and C by 2 plus C by 2. So the resultant is going to be C by 3 వస్తుంది. So all are in parallel. That's why answer is going to be 3 times C by 3. Answer is C, nothing but epsilon naught A by D. Is this question understand everyone? No, Andy. Application not over. They started.
March 31st, sir. Last date.
Those positive, negative over those plates. Actual and the charge distribution. So first of all, I didn't get the charge distribution. Okay. So don't worry. I will explain, Andy. How you said answer, Prajwal. Okay. Okay, నిమిషం. I didn't see that chart box. Okay, నిమిషం. I am checking the. So actually, these problems in online and it's very difficult to get it because now I'm not explaining by looking at you. That's the problem. Okay, nimishan, I'm checking the your chart. How? Yes, sir. No. A is answer. Okay, Kushi. How, sir? I didn't know how to do. Could you please help? Yes, I will explain again. Videos are please off. Toya videos. No, Andy. Toya Jaksh video ledu. Toppers. Okay, struggling to solve. Okay, Andy, don't worry. So we'll discuss all the models in the class one period. We'll take the one class to discuss all the problems physically. Okay, don't worry. No, Andy, don't do such words. JE 26th is gone. No. You should not do like that. No? We have to. That is the Wheatstone Bridge, sir. Yeah, we can make it Wheatstone Bridge. I didn't make it Wheatstone Bridge actually here. But charge induced, sir. I will explain how is the charge induced. No, Andy. Why you are saying like this? What do you mean? Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. I will explain in IC. Do not confuse. The charge distribution also I will explain, Andy. Now, don't worry. Yes, Harshit, I will explain the charge distribution. Yes, I will explain, Kushi. There is no link with charge. Yes, okay. Okay, let's start again. Let's take the problem again. I will explain properly. So let's take, so these are the plates are given. Is the problem? Let's see. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is connected with A and this is connected B. And this plate and this plate are connected with A terminal, and this plate and this plate is connected to B terminal. That's why what I am taking this is A, I am considering this is the B. And they are given the names 3, 4, 5, 6. So the distance between the D, so this is the 2D, so this is the D, 2D, 3D, 2D and D. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ అండి నాకు మీ చార్ట్ ఏం కనపడదు ఇప్పుడు, మీరు మెసేజ్ చేస్తే ప్లీజ్ వన్స్ రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్సో సార్. ఓకే ఓకే, ఐ విల్ రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్సో, ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ యాజ్ అ homework. So let's take what we have to do. We have to make the charge distribution. Okay, even you make it or not it, that is better to understand actually. So this is the plus and this is the minus. కాబట్టి ప్లేట్ 3 మీద మనకి ఏం వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్. ఫర్ సింప్లిసిటీ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, అండ్ బి మీద ఏమొస్తుంది, మీకు నెగిటివ్ చార్జెస్ వస్తాయి. యాక్చువల్లీ బి ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ నెగిటివ్. ఓకే, సో ప్లేట్ 1 మీద నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది, అలాగే ప్లేట్ 6 మీద మనకి పాజిటివ్ వస్తాయి. లెట్స్ హియర్ ఇది పాజిటివ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ప్లేట్ 5 మీద ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇండ్యూస్డ్ నెగిటివ్ చార్జ్. ఇటు సైడ్ నెగిటివ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్లేట్ 5 మీద ఇటు సైడ్ మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, ప్లస్ చార్జెస్ ఆర్ ఇండ్యూస్డ్. ప్లేట్ 2 మీద దేనికి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు, సో కాబట్టి ప్లేట్ 2 పైన నెగిటివ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇటు సైడ్ మనకి పాజిటివ్ చార్జెస్ ఆర్ ఇండ్యూస్డ్. ప్లేట్ 2 కింద పాజిటివ్ చార్జెస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇటు సైడ్ మనకి నెగిటివ్ చార్జెస్ ఆర్ ఇండ్యూస్డ్. Is this understand charge distribution or how the charges are induced? Kushi, why?
Yes.
ఓకే ఓకే, అంటే చార్జ్ ఎట్లా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ అయిందా మీకు అర్థమైందా? ఎస్, చార్జ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ అంటే ఏం లేదండి, మనకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు. సో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఒక కండక్ట్ని, పాజిటివ్ కండక్ట్ని తీసుకొచ్చాం అనుకోండి, దీంట్లో పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్లు ఉంటాయి. ఇది పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి దీంట్లో ఉన్న నెగిటివ్ చార్జెస్ అన్ని ఎటు ఇండ్యూస్ అయిపోతాయి, ఇటు సైడ్ ఇండ్యూస్ అవుతాయి, పాజిటివ్స్ అన్ని ఇటు సైడ్ ఇండ్యూస్ అవుతాయి. ఐ ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్. మళ్ళీ ఈ కండక్టర్ని తీసేసాం అనుకోండి, మళ్ళీ దీంట్లో అన్నీ ఏమైపోతాయి, మళ్ళీ దీంట్లో ఉన్న చార్జెస్ అన్ని రీడిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్, రైట్? అగైన్ దిస్ చార్జెస్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి రీడిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్ like this. So that is the charge distribution, induced charges. Now let's take A and B. Okay, so let's take plate 3 and which is parallel to the plate 3 ఏముంది, ప్లస్ ఉంది, parallel to the B negative. So plate 4 connected to B. Now let's take, ఇప్పుడు మీకు వీట్స్టోన్ బ్రిడ్జ్ వస్తుంది చూడండి. So now plate 3 is connected to, sorry, A terminal is connected to 3, yes, 3, and 3 is parallel to 2, yes, and 2 is, this is the negative one, this side is negative, this side is the positive. Okay, this is the 2 is parallel to 1, so which is connected to B, right? Next, A sixth plate, A is the sixth plate, positive, parallel to the fifth plate 5. Again, if I take 5 here, and it is parallel to the fourth plate is connected to B. ఇప్పుడు మీరు కరెక్టా కాదా చెక్ చేయాలంటే నీట్గా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. See here, plate 3 is the, this side is the negative, sorry, plate 3 is the positive, this is the negative. So this is the positive. So see, plate 2 మీద నెగిటివ్ ఇటు సైడ్ ఉంది, పాజిటివ్ ప్లేట్ ఇటు సైడ్ ఉంది, అండ్ నెగిటివ్ దిస్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ప్లేట్ 6 ఇస్ ద పాజిటివ్, ప్లేట్ 5 మీద నెగిటివ్ ఇటు సైడ్ ఉంది, ప్లేట్ 5 పాజిటివ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది ప్లేట్, దానికి ఆపోజిట్ ప్లేట్ 4 నెగిటివ్ ఇటు ఉంది. కెపాసిటర్ ఫామ్ అయింది ఇక్కడ. Is this understand? Is the capacitor is formed? Yes. So that's why now check this one. What is the C2 actually? C is the 3-4 is the C. This is the 3-4 is the C by 3, and 3-2 is the C by 2. This is the C. This is the C by 2. This is the C by 2 or C? 6-5. 6-5 is the C, and 4-5 is the C by 2. చూడండి, C by 2, C by 2, C, C. If I take this divided by this, this divided by this or this divided by this, what I will get? This is going to be cancelled. The center one is going to be cancelled. Yeah, again we'll get the answer epsilon naught A by D. Is this understand right now? Please respond. Harshit. Harshit, please. Is that fine? Infinite model Prajal, I will explain in the class Sunday. Yeah. So we will explain the physically, don't worry. So let's take another question and as a homework. So you can solve this question by using potential. So this is given by one of your friend also. So this question you can solve by the potential method. So all capacitance is in given 1 microfarad each capacitance, and he asked to find the capacitance AB. So this is the diagram they are given. Okay, Nandi. So this is the A and this is the B. Okay, so not all capacitors same. So this is the 1 microfarad, this is the 2 microfarad, this is the 6 microfarad, 3 microfarad, 6 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad. So you can solve this question by using potential method. So we know what is the potential method. So ఇక్కడ A వచ్చింది but ఇక్కడ A రాదు, ఇక్కడ A రాదు. ఇక్కడ B వచ్చింది potential, may B will come here, not here. If you not come, what you have to take? We have to take the difference potential, C, B, whatever you can take it. Take it and solve it. Options are 2 microfarad, 3 microfarad, 6 microfarad, 9 microfarad. Okay, Nandi? So this question is very easy. Don't confusion with this one. So ikkada A vastadi, but ikkada A రాదు. Okay, so ikkada B వచ్చింది. Yes.
చార్ట్ చూడు.
Yes, I will see. Chart box. I don't know, sir. I should make it 1:2. Physical means physical means 1:1. కాదండి, class లో we will work it on class only. Don't worry. Okay, Andy, I will see the chart. WhatsApp also. I will check. So no, sir. Explain it tomorrow. Okay, Andy. Tomorrow class will take one class directly. All problems will solve it, Andy. Whatever you solve the question online, we will solve it there only. Don't worry. Okay, so Ajax, I will see. Physically ante like in the class and explain. Yes, I will explain and 1:1. Make it or don't know Harshit, make it 1:2. Function of x1 is equals to function of x2. x1 equals to x. That's what I say. Explain now, sir. See. Okay. Yes, see. Which one? Yes, Andy. See here. So this is going to be B. Kabatti, ikkada potential will change. Just consider this is as a C, and if you consider this is the D, and if you consider this is the E, and this is the E, And how many like 1, 2, 3, 4, A, A, and D, C. Yes, you can make it another one also. So A, B, C. You can take 3 points. A, B, C, D, E. Like this you can take. And you can take and you can draw the diagram. Okay, Nandi? Is this understand everyone? How to do this one? And see the potential between AE. AE there is a 2, and AD there is a 1, and DE between there is a 6, and CD there is a 3, and BC there is a 6, and BE. So you can take it as a BE. So like this, you can take it as a BE. BE మధ్యలో మనకి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, 2 ఉన్నాయి. So both are in parallel. Okay. So then do one thing. This is the parallel. This is going to be 4. That's why you can take it as a BE here. You can take it as a direct to 4. So then solve this problem. Then we'll get the answer. Is it understand, Andy? Don't worry. We will solve this problem in the class also. This is the only method that we are going to solve all the questions. Except this method, they will not ask any method. If you know the potential method, and if you know that how to solve that the parallel plates, number of parallel plates, that is enough. You are going to get the answers. Yes, sir, Andy. Yeah, explain Andy this one. So okay, Andy. So that questions I will explain in the next class also. So okay, thank you very much. I have class also right now 5:30, but 11 students also. So thank you, Andy. Don't worry, we'll discuss in the tomorrow class also. Okay, Andy. Thank you very much. Bye.
Sir. 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 Sir.
Good evening.
Just wait for other sky, then I will start the lecture. In physics class, all are present. Okay. Just wait for two guys also. In 2 minutes, we start the lecture. Okay.
Levanta.
My voice is clear, guys. Okay. So today I will start from carbon anion. Carbon yesterday I complete. Okay. Today uh,
Sir,
mhm.
turn your
just
VA, sir.
just 1 second. 1 second. Guys, 1 second. And please confirm once you are there, one by one. Subjects, please confirm, then I will start the lecture. Subjects?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Harshit. Harshit. Hello, Harshit. Okay. And Prajwal? Prajwal, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Kusi?
Yuna is coming, sir.
Okay.
Corre, bidda.
Okay, now I'm teaching. Okay. Okay, today now I'm starting carbon hand. Okay. In a carbon and what happen actually? This between the carbon and chlorine bond share the electrons happening here. So what happen here? Here carbon will take this electron. What is saying, Sujesh?
Turn on your camera, sir.
Then you will understand. Sujesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So see guys. So between the carbon and chlorine, electrons are there. So here carbon will take this electron, so they will get the negative charge, and chlorine will take positive charge because carbon taking the electron, both electrons. So that is why if you count here a number of electrons, so 2, 4, 6, and these two electron, both electron taken by carbon. So that is why total number of electron here 8 electron. Okay, and here this carbon has electron reach, and we also can say it is a nucleophile, and here also it is a heterolytic fission. Okay, so I will. What is the meaning of here? So where we discuss about stability of carbon anion. Ki how can we decide the stability of carbon anion here? Okay, so here I have two groups. In a one group I have methyl group, and in one group I have NO2. So here you can see here guys. See carbon negative means carbon anion means they have already 8 electron are there. Okay, they do not need other extra electron. So methyl group are in the nature is a plus I effect. Okay, means they are sharing the electron to for the other guys. Okay, see. So see carbon and already have 8 electron. So if you are sharing the electron to carbon and what happen? They become unstable. Okay, so that is why here these groups are become unstable type. And if you see looking here, this methyl carbon anion here, it is attached to NO2 group, and NO2 group have. So this NO2 group have electronegativity group. Okay, because see this is a minus I effect. Okay, NO2. So NO2 want the electron to itself. So what happen? Whatever carbon have a extra, whatever carbon have electron, it will associate to with NO2. So here it is be stable because carbon have negative charge. So here if NO2 will take the share the electron with carbon anion, it is good. Okay, so that is why it is stable. But in a methyl group case, plus I effect will be unstable with carbon anion. So that is a point here. Okay, I will do. Now it is okay.
Not okay, sir.
Okay, now it is clear. Okay, see. So here, what is the meaning of here? If you have plus I effect with carbon anion, that means the stability of carbon anion will be decreased. But if you have minus I group, okay, with a carbon anion, that means stability of increase. Okay, so please remember that. Okay, so carbon anion is required to minus I effect, and carbon anion if you have plus I effect, that in this case stability will decrease. Just remember these 2 points. Okay, then you can solve the question. Okay, please guys do not talk in the comments. Okay, please focus here. See, now I have 3 carbon group, 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. So what happened here? This carbon anion is attached 3 carbon methyl group, and this is attached 2, and this is attached only 1. So if you see, I am already tell you for carbon anion, number of plus I effect will be decrease the stability. So here in the 3 degree carbon methyl groups are 3. Here 2 a here 1. So what is the meaning of this? In this case 1 in this case have plus I effect is less. In this case 2 degree plus I effect is more. Here plus I effect is more compared to other two groups. So that is why here stability is very less in 3 degree, and 2 degree have less compare have stable compared to 3 degree, and first have more stable compared to 2 and 3. Okay, and if you see here also, Here this cyclohexane negative carbon ion is connected with NO2 group. This is the minus I effect, is the plus I effect. So I already tell minus I effect is good for carbon ion. That is why it is stability is good. Okay. Now this is a question next. You guys will be not aware, huh? Now if today you are also trying, huh? Okay, today I will not focus on that. I will teach only. Do whatever you want. See, now I am saying already key for carbon anion minus I effect is good. So here if you see in the example, chlorine is very nearest to minus I effect. Here chlorine is very far. So that is why this minus I effect is close to this effect. That is why it is more stable compared to this. Okay, because I already tell you key I effect now depends on distance. If you will go very distant, so their effect will be decreased. So that is why for carbon ion you want minus I effect. And in this first case, you see here carbon chlorine is very nearest to that. That is why it is stable more. Okay,
Sir,
guys, mute yourself.
sir,
Yes, yes. Yes, Tejas, tell me.
I had said
What happened?
one question.
Okay, listen.
What's up?
Okay, first I will teach, then I will talk. Okay, about doubts. Okay, don't worry. Okay. See, Baki, sorry, remaining 4, 5, 6 questions you will do yourself. Okay, and 6, 7 I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. About 7 I will tell you. See, here what happened here? Here this carbon anion. You will guys not listen. Huh? Again, see. Today, your carbon anion is now in the 7th question. Your carbon anion is connected to sp. See, triple bond, second, okay, double bond and single bond. See, single bond is a sp3, double bond is a sp square, and triple bond is a sp. So I already tell you na initial class कि sp have minus I effect more than double bond and single bond, and double bond also have minus I effect compared to the single bond. So that is why I'm saying for carbon ion you want minus I effect. So in sp group in the triple bond is have more minus I effect. So that is why here stability is more compared to the second and first. If you go from down to top, your stability will increase. Okay, don't talk Harshit. Now see, now you can see here guys, this CH is connected to chlorine, and here okay, is here F is here. You guys know the F is more electronegativity group compared to chlorine. Okay, I understand. But here problem is that here chlorine is 2. Okay, here chlorine is 2 and fluorine is 1. So that is why in number of chlorine is here 2. That is why here minus I effect is more compared to 1 fluorine. So in this case, this is really more stable compared to this group. Okay, I understand fluorine is more electronegative, but here fluorine is 2. So that is why here effect net effect will be more than 1 fluorine. So that is why this will be more stable compared to this, because carbon anion always is one, sorry, always negative ions want only uh, minus minus I effect for stability. Okay, now guys you can see here also. Okay, this fluorine is very close to carbon ion, that is why this is stability is more. Here fluorine is very far, so that is why stability is less here. Okay, okay, now I will shift to free radical group. Okay, just 1 second. Now we'll shift to free radical group. Okay, now what happened between the chlorine and between the carbon and chlorine? Now carbon will also take 1 electron, chlorine will also take 1 electron. So now for chlorine and carbon both will not have what you can say, both have not any charge. Okay, the carbon take their own electron, chlorine also take own electron. So now carbon have 7 number of electron. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 7, and it is a sp square hybridization. Okay, because normal here now you have only three bond now, that is why it's a sp square hybridization. And you can see here, guys, it's a free radical. Okay, and is the octet incomplete because a carbon air want one extra electron, then octet will be complete. Okay, and this electron deficient group you can say, and is also homolytic fusion. See, carbon anion, carbon cation is a heterolytic group, but this free radical group is homolytic. Why? Because here carbon also take one electron, chlorine also take one electron. So that is why number of electron will be taken by two elements same. So that is why number of charge is not there. Okay, that is why we call it a homolytic fission. Okay, now I will give one example here, guys. See, carbon cation is there in their octet. Carbon have only 7 electrons. It want one extra electron. Yeah, it want electron. It will complete the octet. So that means it will behave like as a carbon cation. So in this case, if you see here, 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree is given here. You guys already know what is the meaning of methyl group is plus I effect. Okay, plus I effect means they will save the electron. Okay, so for carbon for free radical is good कि they will get the electron. So that is why if your number of methyl group is more, that means more I plus I effect is there. That means you can save the number of electron more. So that is why this carbon is more stable compared to 2 degree and 1 degree. Why? Because 2 degree and 1 degree have methyl groups less compared to this 3 degree. So that is why 3 degree is more stable than 2 degree and 1 degree is there. Okay, so here plus I effect is directly proportional to free radical stability. Okay, here we also can complain. Here also you can comparison. This carbon is 3 degree. That is why this stability is more. Here is a 2 degree. Here is a 1 degree. So here that is why in this group it is a less stable, is more stable, and is also more stable. Because the 3 degree, that is why is more stable compared to 2 degree and 1 degree. Okay. Now I will see. Now will I go next topic. Okay. Now I will go acidic strength. So guys, please remember one thing. I understand in online class sometimes you have doubts. Okay, I understand. There is no problem. But tomorrow your class is there in the okay in a school. So no problem. If you have any doubt, mine in the previous 3 classes, you can ask in the offline class. Okay, because there I can explain by in a whiteboard or in your copy also. So that is good. If you have now any doubt, no problem. You can also ask in the school. Okay, tomorrow, no problem. I can solve. Okay. See, now I will teach you. Yeah, I think tomorrow your school is here, no? Acidic strength. Now I will talk about acidic strength. What is the subjects we have now? Hello? You want to join? Okay. Okay, I will allow. Just 1 second. Guys, 1 second. Okay. See. Now I will teach you acidic strength. Okay. Just 1 second. Okay, now I will teach you acidic strength. Okay. Guys, please see here. Now we have a HA. Okay. You know in acid we have H and A. If I will break both H and A, so just suppose that A will take negative electron and H will you know already. In acidic, what happen? If I will put any acidic in the solution, what happen? You know already. H plus will happen and plus A negative will happen. Okay. So here you can understand A negative is a is C. What is the meaning of here? See, if this reaction will be more forward as possible. See, if this HA is easy to they will combine to each other, they will make again HA. So here your forward direction will be happen easy way, but your backward direction will not happen. Okay, so for that is why you want ki A negative, if it is a stable ion, if your A negative ion is a stable ion, in this case it will not make again bond with H positive easily and will not make again. Okay, press well, I will repeat. I am saying HA here, if you will, you know already HA is an acid. If you want to break, so you will make H positive ions and A negative ions. Okay. See, you want ki for acid, for acidic strength, H positive ions will be happen more. So for in this case, forward direction will happen easy way. That is a good. But if you do not want ki again A negative and a positive will combine and it will again make HA. So in this case, what happen? A negative will happen here. That will be more stable. And that will be should be more stable. Why? Because if it is more stable, the what happen? They will not make again bond with HA positive easily way, and they will not make easy HA. So in this case, it is good if A negative ion should be stable ions. Okay, stable ions means if A negative has less energy means A negative has stable ions means he has less energy. Okay, you guys, I will write here in equilibrium constant for weak acid. For weak acid, if I will want to write Ka, so what you can write? HA positive concentration into A negative concentration upon HA. Okay. I will tell you one thing so much, 2 to 3 points only here. See guys, this Ka is directly proportional to acidic strength. Meaning is that if equilibrium constant for weak acid, if its value is higher, that means acidic strength is more. Okay. Okay, guys. And why I'm talking here A negative is stable ions? Because I'm what is the meaning of here? If your A negative ion is very stable, so in this case, your acidic strength will be increased. Okay, if your A negative is not stable, so what happens? So again A negative will not react with H positive, again make HA. So in this case, you will not get H positive ions again. So that is why for acidic strength, it want ki A negative will be should be stable ions. So that is why we are discussing this thing. Okay. And guys, see, this Ka is a equilibrium constant. If this value is more, that means acid strength more. Okay. I'm writing here also pK. You know, guys, what is the meaning of pH? You know, guys, what is the meaning of pH? pH is equal to minus log H positive ions. That is why same way, if you write pK means minus log Ka. Okay. So here, what is the meaning of here? Just see here what I'm written here. See, if I will say if Ka value is more, that means acidic strength is more. So if you can check like this, if your Ka value is 10.1, 10 to the power minus 1 is a Ka value, and Ka value is 10 to the power minus 2. So in this case, you can say, sir, this 10 to the power minus 1 is value is more greater than 10 to the power minus 2. That is why this is more acidic strength. I can understand. You are right. But if I will convert this Ka value into Pk, so you can understand 10 to the power minus 1. We can write Pk value 1, and 10 to the power minus 2. We can write Pk value 2. So what is the meaning of this? K value will increase the acidic strength, but pK value from pK value, if it will decrease, then acidic strength will increase. So you can understand from here कि pK value is inversely proportional to acidic strength and K value directly proportional to acidic strength. Okay, it's similar way to it is a similar way to H positive ions like okay pH value pH you know na if H positive constant so much, so in this case your acid will be more good, more strength, and your pH value will come very less. Yes or no? pH value 1 or 2, you know, that is more strong compared to 4 or 5. That is same meaning here also. K value is more, that means acidic strength is good, and pK value is less, that means acidic strength also good. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I will discuss here. See, This A negative ion should be stable. I mentioned here. For acidic strength, you want A negative ions should be stable. So you know na carbocation. If carbocation had be stable, so what you want? Minus I effect. I'll teach you now just initially 5 minutes ago. If for carbon ion, if we have minus I effect, that means we have stable ions. Okay, if plus I is connected to a negative charge particle, that means it's unstable. Why? I already tell you, because already A negative have electron extra, and minus I effect means they will want electron towards itself. Okay, plus I means they will share the electron. They will release you can say they will donating group. So if you are donate the electron towards A negative, what happen? A negative already is very rich electron. If you are donating also, so what happen? Their stability will decrease. So that is why A negative want only minus I effect, and plus I effect is not required here. Okay, so that is why I'm saying A negative strength means acidic strength here. Okay, so minus I effect means here, if you see anywhere in the compound ki minus I effect is there, that means acidic strength will be increased, and plus I effect will be there, that means acidic strength will be decreased. Okay, you guys asking any question now? Just ask me what you asking.
I had shared in WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah, I after class I will tell you. Okay, first finish I will class, then I will tell you. Okay. Okay, and to see what is asking, distance plus is unstable stable. To see, you have any doubt? Okay, you are saying y plus I is unstable. Okay, okay. See, actually what happened now? Plus I effect means plus I effect means see, to see. Plus I effect means they are electron donating group. Minus I effect means they are electron attack group, meaning that they will take the electron. Okay. So A negative already have extra electron. Okay. A negative ions means they have already extra electron. If someone will come, they will try to give the electron to A negative again. So what happen? Now stability will decrease of A negative. So that is why A negative do not want ki plus I effect will come. So E want only minus I effect will come. So what happen? Minus I will come, and they will share the electron of A negative ions. They will take from A negative ions from electron. That is why that is good for A negative ions, na, for stability. So that is why I'm saying minus I here, it will be good for acidic strength, and plus I will be inversely proportional to acidic strength. What you write, Kusi, here? Listen me, okay? I'm not pronouncing your name in English, okay? I'm pronouncing your name in Hindi. You know, your name is Kusi is a Hindi word. That is my pronunciation. If you are feeling I'm saying wrong, so that is not my problem, okay? Because your name in the Hindi is Kusi means happy. So I'm not pronouncing your name, okay, wrong. Okay, you can Google it. If you take your pronunciation, your name in Google also, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. You know, Kusi word is not a Telugu word, it's a Hindi word. So you can understand कि I can pronunciation more better. See, so that is a minus I effect is really good for acidic strength, and plus I effect is will be inversely proportional to acidic strength. Okay, here. Now you check here. Okay. Now see this methyl. See, now I will compare in three carbon group here. Now here is a 1 degree alcohol. Okay, is a 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohol. If you comparing here, this OH is a negative ions. Okay, see this between this OH, this
Prajwal have
actually
doubt, sir.
what happened? See,
Prajwal.
OH between what happened? Okay, leave it. See, between the OH, see, if want to break OH, so here O negative will happen and here H positive happen. So here we are talking about O negative ions because for O negative ion stability is important for acidic strength. So that is why we are discussing about here. So see this OH negative ions will this OH is connected with 1 degree carbon. It is 2 degree carbon and it is a 3 degree carbon. Okay. So what happen actually here? See, if you go downside, so what happen? You see methyl group will increase. Yes or no? And if you go downside, your methyl group will increase and your plus I effect will also increase. You know methyl groups are plus I effect. So already I tell you for acidic group plus I effect will not good. So that is why if you go downside, methyl group will increase. That means plus I effect will be increased. That means your acidic strength will be decreased. So acidic strength decrease means your K value will be decreased and pK value will increase. If you want to check the pK value in the lab, you will get for the first degree you will get 16 value, for second you will get 17, for third you will get 18 value. Then from here you can comparison. This 16 value have more good acid compared to others. Okay. See, there's no big change. That does not mean ki 5, 10 value will change. No, only 1 or 2 value will be difference only there. Okay, between the 2 degree, 3 degree, or 1 degree one. Okay. Now I will go next question. Next question you can also see. This COH you know already is also acid. Between this OH negative you already know. If you break the bond between the OH, so it will become O negative, here become H positive. So I will talk about only this about this O negative ions. If this O negative ions connect to this carbon group, okay, so you know again if you go downside, your methyl group will be increased. That means plus I effect will be increased. So in this case, your steady strength again decrease and K value also decrease and PK value also increase. Same here also. Okay, in third question also you can check. Okay, you can do in your home also. Now I will explain this chlorine group. Okay, see now guys, now this CO2H group is there and now this OA will connect with chlorine group. 2 chlorine, 3 chlorine is there. If you go downside you can see chlorine number of chlorine will increase to connected with carbon. That means you know chlorine is very good electronegativity group. That means your minus I effect will be increased if you go downside. Okay, that means if you know for acidic strength minus I effect is very good. So if you go downside, your minus I effect will be increased. That case acidic strength also increase, and acidic strength increase. That means K value increase and pK value decrease. Okay, guys. Same thing here also. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodide is there. If you know, if I will go downside, electronegativity will decrease and minus I effect also decrease. That case, acidic strength will decrease and K value decrease and pK value will increase. Okay. Okay. I will request you guys, please 6, 7, 8, 9 question you do in your home. If you will not understand, no problem. You can ask me tomorrow also. Okay. In your class. Tomorrow I have offline class. I will tell you more good. Okay. Don't worry.
Sir, you will leave at 6:30.
No, no. I have notes. No problem. I
We
will.
have exam tomorrow. We have
Okay.
exam, sir.
Okay. Okay. No problem. I have only 1, 2 page only. Just I will teach you. Then I will go. Okay. No problem. Just give me some times. I will complete. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Khushi, don't worry. I will share the notes. Okay. In the group. Don't worry. Okay. I will share the notes. Okay. In the group. Don't worry. 6, 7, 8, and 9. I will share the notes. Okay. In the group. No problem. Okay. Just I will complete this electromeric effect. Then I will close the class. Okay. Don't worry. And whatever you have doubt, you can ask me tomorrow also. Okay. No problem. Okay. Just listen me. See guys, in the induction effect, you know already in the induction effect what happen? Polarization of electron will happen, and that electron are sigma electron. But in electromeric effect, what happen? Here displacement of pi electron will happen in the molecule in the presence of attacking reagent. That is the electromeric effect. Okay, and electromeric effect are also two types: plus E and minus E. What is a plus E means? Here attacking reagent is positive ions, positive charge. You can say positive plus positive, NO2 positive, yeah, R positive, yeah, X positive like. Okay, that is electrophile, electrolytic group. Okay, plus E. means attacking reagent is always a positive charge type, and minus E means attacking reagent is negative charge particle. Okay, you can say a nucleophile. Okay, they will loving the nucleus, means they will loving the proton positive charge particle. Okay, like example
Loving,
H
sir.
R negative, Cn negative. What are you saying, Sajaks?
Not understood that one, sir.
That electromeric effect.
Yes, sir.
See, don't worry, I will give you example, then you will understand more. But I will just give you a hint. In reaction happen what happen in a inductive effect. Your sigma electron will be sharing. Okay, it is polarized. But here in electromeric what happen? You have pi electrons. Okay, your pi electrons will displacement in the molecule, not outside. In a molecule itself displacement because of attacking reagent. That is why we call electromeric effect. If in your molecule, if attacking reagent will come, okay, and if your attacking reagent is positive charge particle, that case we call plus E effect. If your attacking reagent is negative charge particle, we call minus E effect. Okay, don't worry, I will give you example for both, then you will understand proper way. Okay, see guys, I am writing here one example here, please see here. Here ethene is there. Okay, here this ethene group is if you try to react this ethene group plus S positive group, so please understand here, this S positive here is attacking reagent, it is a molecule group. So first what happen in this case, this double bond na, this double bond electron will go to this carbon group. Okay, and will make negative charge here and will make positive charge here. So this S positive, you know, this S positive H positive will attract to a negative charge particle, so that is why it will come to negative charge particle, it make the bond. So here CS2 will make CS3, but here carbocation is there already. So this is a E effect, you can say electromeric effect. What happen here, here pi electrons are displacement. You can understand here what happened, here pi electron are displaced, okay, in the molecule. Because of that, this carbon will get negative charge, this carbon will get positive charge, and this S positive are positive charge particle, that is why it will go to negative charge particle, negative carbon. So it will make the bond here and this will become carbocation. Okay, same thing here also. Okay, here now here also double bond, this double bond will come here. See, here so only two carbon is there, so that is okay, you can say sir what happened, but here three carbon are there. So now I will tell you why this double bond electron will go to this carbon only. Why? Because this side is a methyl group are there, already is a plus I group, that means this group will share the electron to other carbon. So this carbon will not want ki extra electron will come. So that is why this bond will shift to this carbon only. Okay, and this carbon will get negative charge, this carbon will get positive charge. So this again, this S positive will come to this negative charge particle, it will make CS3, and here will make CH positive. So that is a plus E effect. Okay guys, plus E effect is clear. What you written now, suggest Prajwal yaar, in Telugu word. Please focus in here. If you have doubt, no problem. I will solve your doubts. Okay, in the offline class. Don't worry. But please do not talk in the group. Okay. Now, guys, I will show you minus E effect also. Okay. You can see also this example, three example. Okay. See, this their double bond is there. Is connected to CS3, CS3. So what happen? Again, this double bond electron will go to this carbon. Why? Because here two methyl groups are there. So that is why this pi electron will go to this electron. This will get minus I. Here will come positive ions. So again, this S positive will connect this CS2. They will make CS3. Here plus will be there only. Okay. And here I will show you minus E effect. Guys, now see. Now this double carbon bond is with oxygen. Okay. So what happened? This pi electron will shift to oxygen. So oxygen will get negative electron and this carbon will get positive ions. Now you have attacking is Cn negative. So what is the meaning of Cn negative means? This Cn negative is negative charge. That is why we call it is a minus E effect. I will tell now minus E effect means attacking reagent will be negative charge particle. Okay, so now you see attacking reagent is negative charge particle. So what happens? This negative will attract to positive. So this Cn will go to this carbon and they will make the bond with carbon. They will make Cn here and O negative is here also. Okay, that is a electromeric effect. Okay, guys, see that is a temporary effect. Why? Because if you remove the Cn, so again you will make same bond. If you will give Cn, then it will make, and again it will react to Cn and it will make Cn bond, and you will wear O negative. That is why it is a temporary effect. It's not a permanent effect. But inductive effect is a permanent, but electromagnetic effect is temporary effect. What are you asking? One thing. What are you asking? Cyanohydride. I'm writing here. Okay. I think you asked. Okay. Cyanohydride. Okay. I will tell you. Don't worry. Huh? I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. See here what happened. See, this carbon have double bond. Again, same thing happen. This pi electron will shift to this oxygen. It will make O negative, and this carbon make positive ion. Okay, and this Cn negative will come here. See, this negative will attack to positive side. So that is why it will make the bond with C positive. So here this carbon will make the with bond with Cn, and O negative will here. So if what happen, if I will give now H positive ions, if I will give H positive ion, so what happen? This H positive will attract to O negative ions, though they will make bond with O negative, they will make OH. Okay, Praswal, I'm not giving the telling the reaction here. I'm just giving you what happened. Okay, some characteristics will be required. Okay, I will when I will start the chapter 12th class chapter, then I will teach you. Okay, how can you make? But I will give you just idea. Okay, this S positive will come. This will make with bond with O negative ions, and they make OH. So if here you can observe in this molecule, in this compound, you can say here Cn group also there, OH group also there. So that is why its common name is cyanohydride. Okay. Now this example you can understand on yourself. See, now you have CH3 carbon triple bond with N plus R negative. So see, again what happened, this pi atom will shift to a nitrogen. It will make N negative, H positive. This R methyl group has negative charge. So it will go to carbon. Okay. So that is why this methyl will go towards carbon. They will make R with this carbon, and negative carbon is negative nitrogen will be there, and CH3 is there. Okay, guys, I just inform you. See, this R and CH3 are why like this, because in a double bond already 120 degrees there. So that is why this R will come here. It will attach with carbon, but it will come to as a key 120 angle will be there. Okay, between the R and CH3, between the this double bond and CH3, 120 degrees should be maintained. So that is why this R will come and connect with carbon, because carbon have positive charge, R is negative charge, and they will make like bond ki 120 should be follow. Okay, and now I'm comparing with electromagnetic effect and inductive effect both. You can get the idea. Okay, simple. The electromagnetic effect is a temporary effect, and inductive effect is a permanent effect. Okay, and electromagnetic effect, pi bond, you see in a pi bond electrons are there, they are permanent shift. Half as well, shift plus E minus E effect. Okay, see, Praswal, plus E effect means when you are attacking reagent are plus E effect means when you are attacking reagent are positive charge particle. Okay, when your minus E effect means when you are attacking reagent are negative charge particle. That is a minus E effect. Okay, see, now I'm comparing electromagnetic and inductive effect. Okay, so what happened here? Electromagnetic effect are temporary effect. Okay, because if you will give attacking reagent, that is why they will shift the pi electron. Okay, if you will remove the attacking reagent, what happen? Again, they will make normal bond. So that is a temporary effect. But inductive effect is a permanent effect. Okay, and electromagnetic effect, pi bond electrons are shifting. Okay, but here only sigma bond of electron are polarized. Okay, and electromagnetic effect you can understand here complete charge formation, but here partial charge formation. What is the meaning of this? In electromagnetic effect, what happen? Complete electron will shift to atom. Here partial charge formation only, not a complete. Okay, and here we are using external reagent. Here we are not using any external reagent. Okay, that is the difference between the electromagnetic and inductive effect. Okay, guys, and I will share with these notes with you guys. Okay, after class, don't worry. One request with you guys. I know you have so many doubts because it's class in online. I can understand, okay? But what my request is that you guys, please one time please revise whatever I'm teaching, okay, in 2 days. And whatever you have doubts in that inductive effect, electromeric effect, you can me ask tomorrow class, no problem. In offline class, I will give you, okay. You can me ask doubt, I can solve your okay doubt, no problem, okay. Just revise the notes. If you have problem in any basic things, you can me ask, okay, tomorrow in school, okay. Okay, guys. And tomorrow I will teach you resonance, okay. Tomorrow I will teach you resonance. Sir. Uh, yeah, no. First of all, tomorrow your school is here, na? So I will teach you normal as a school hours from 2:45. Okay, okay, guys. Okay. Uh, so okay, I will share the notes within your group. Please revise it. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can me ask also. Okay, no problem. Okay, guys. Now I'm ending your have paper. You can go. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, bye. Bye. Please revise the notes. Okay. Okay, guys. Now you can go. Tomorrow I will start the resonance effect. Okay. Yeah. I will say after class immediately. I will share in the group. Okay. After class I will share in the okay group. No problem. Okay, guys. First of all, you talk to later. Okay. With first of all, you can talk later. Okay. Okay, guys. Now you can go. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. I will end the meeting. Okay.